Hey everyone, don't forget you can now join our free Discord group. The link is available in the video description. You can sign up to get daily signals and essential information about crypto. We also have a VIP section within the group that you can unlock once you join the channel. You can also click on the Become a VIP member button in Discord for more information. Also available in the description box is our exclusive offer that gets you trading Dogecoin and any other cryptocurrency with a little extra head start. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade you make on Binance. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. The current Dogecoin price dip is characteristically tagged as a hodler's gambit. It means that while most people are fast selling off their holdings, some are busy stacking up more Dogecoin in anticipation of what would be a great breakout riding on the latest actions of the Doge father Elon Musk. In this video on Crypto Fox, we'll be looking at the direction in which Dogecoin could move ahead of time and how hodlers can benefit in the short term and the long term. As we go through the video, we'll also be looking at some of Dogecoin's latest news, and we'll also take a look at some chart analysis of Dogecoin's price pattern. If you're watching a video on this channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications to get updates every time we upload a new video. Dogecoin has stepped out of the ridiculous bracket where some critics have often labeled it as merely a joke, and it has stepped up to become one of the biggest cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. It continues to stay through the rough market atmosphere as speculations have gone quiet of late, with the price making sideways movement due to random volatility. The price first fell to around the 40 cents price level, and then has risen to a level of around 55 cents on the intraday charts, before currently dropping again at the time of recording to around 45 cents. It seems to be building up to go on the upside very soon on the weekly charts. We are looking forward to seeing some significant changes on this chart if the price can make it to the resistance set at 60 cents. Possibly the next few weeks may be decisive for Dogecoin as we look at an interesting volume before Dogecoin price can attempt to hit above 60 cents to test resistance at the 70 cents level. The upswing will confirm a breakout towards the pattern set over its November 2020 high. At the beginning of 2021, Dogecoin never seemed to be capable of hitting the price levels that it appeared to have attained at the moment. Who would have thought that Dogecoin would be in the works to hit $1 after just a few months into the year? The sellouts have severely limited Dogecoin and somewhat limited Dogecoin from gathering momentum. The current price action appears to be more of a consolidation process as Dogecoin tries to free itself from the latest rapid moves price compression. For the week, if we get a clear weekly close above 70 cents, it will tell that the consolidation process is complete and will raise the odds that the currency resumes the rally to $1. Currently, the price is struggling to test the resistance at 60 cents, and some analysts think it may drop back down to the support level at 40 cents. On the other hand, we should note that we may see the price bouncing off the support line and exist at a go-between level before attempting to break out above the resistance line. The price is at a weekly high that used to serve as a support level when it went as high as 70 cents on May 7th. In the case of a possible dip, we expect that the price will bounce off the support level at 43 cents and start its upward movement. The price will pass through the resistance lines at 50 cents and at 65 cents. This will be good and profitable growth. Dogecoin is still as functional as ever, stabilizing itself within the 51 to 59 cents range and testing support at 60 cents. Analysts are divided on whether it will rise on an uptrend or break the support level and fall to a new support level at 40 cents before beginning a gradual, steady rise back up to 50 cents. Dogecoin is trading in a situation where its price potential relies heavily on investor interest. This has always been its primary driving force, actually, but we need it now more than ever before if we are to retest the $1 resistance soon enough. The price is presented with a possibly great chance at an upside breakout above the channel's upper boundary. To see this, people need to look beyond the short-term negative bearish outlook as Dogecoin may not dip further. It will be essential to elevate how the Dogecoin trend approaches the upper boundary and how it possibly maintains a breakout from there. If you're a Dogecoin hodler, your heart is in the right place as we hope to see our much-loved Dogecoin set the pace for other altcoins in the crypto market. There are so many Dogecoin ripoffs in the market today, meaning that Dogecoin has become a sort of cult hero that will be worth looking up to by everyone. The journey has been epic so far, and it will continue to be so. There's been another Elon Musk cryptocurrency tweet with him asking if Tesla should accept Dogecoin. This is good news for hodlers because the community would be entering a long-term partnership with the fastest growing company in the automobile industry. Thus, Dogecoin holdings are bound to witness incredible growth over time. The longer you hodl, the higher the returns. Dogecoin's price rests at a pivotal point on the charts, trying to stay above the April high of 45 cents. It's also important to note that the 50% retracement of the rally from April low sits just below the current support at 44 cents. On the upside, the May highs have coincided with the topside trend line drawn from the January high through the April high, granting more importance to the trend line. Suppose Dogecoin price does close with consecutive inside days. In that case, it will augment the probability that the correction process over the last couple of days is largely exhausted and propose that the altcoin will successfully rally moving forward. Bullish targets begin with intense resistance framed by the 138.2% extension of the April decline at 75 cents and the topside trend line at 77 cents. A resumption of heavy accumulation will be needed to best the range. A successful breakthrough for Dogecoin's price will present an open path to $1 and the 161.8% extension of the April decline at $1.01, yielding 100% based on the price at the time of recording. Based on the tightness of the latest bar on the 12-hour chart, the resolution of the current tight range could occur in the next 24 hours. Everything changes if the Dogecoin price closes below the April high daily. Immediate support emerges at the 50-12-hour simple moving average at 39 cents, followed closely by the 61.8% retracement of the April-May rally at 37 cents. After that level, Dogecoin price is in a price vacuum, with support waiting at the 78.6% retracement level at 26 cents. The latest into the block in out of the money around price data shows a cluster of support between 48 and 50 cents, representing about 58,000 addresses owning 10.7 billion Doge. The cluster of support rests very close to the current price and further states the importance of the April high in determining the fate of Dogecoin's price, particularly considering there's almost no support down to 42 cents based on the IOMAP data. To be sure, the Dogecoin price is at a critical point, and the future of several unrealized small fortunes rests on the resolution of the tightening price action above the April high at 45 cents. According to reports, a Shiba Inu statue representing Dogecoin has been placed in front of Wall Street's famous charging bull statue in a rather funny news story. Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus drew attention to the statue, expressing surprise that the statue was real and not merely a photoshopped image of Dogecoin's chosen mascot. A Twitter user who goes by Camilo took credit for placing the statue. His feed shows that the statue has been in place since May 8th and presents the Shiba Inu dog from various angles. It's not clear how long the statue will remain before it's removed by law enforcement or transferred to a different location by the owner. This has been deemed a sort of message to show Dogecoin's readiness to combat the traditional political state of the archaic finance system. It has a somewhat similar context that can be likened to that of the 2017 Fearless Girl pose statue installed before the charging bull about 4 years ago. The statue, however, is seen as a symbol representing all the big banks of the world. The Doge statue could be left in front of the building, just like how the charging bull got installed as an icon. The crypto stands for a culture that even celebrities have promoted without blinking. It's a symbol of legitimate gains. People are still holding out for it to grow even further, especially with its price poised at 50 cents and market cap sitting as the 4th largest crypto in the world, with about $65 billion worth of market cap. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving a like on this video, sharing it with your friends, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. Do you think the Dogecoin price will break out soon? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down there as well. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.